How to delete your Capital One savings account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's video, I will simply show you how you can go ahead and then delete your Capital One account. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, the main way that most customers close their savings account is online, and it's possible to do this through the official Capital One website, which is capitalone.co.uk. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box so you can check that out as well, respectively. And before you try to close the account, make sure you transfer any money out of it and into your Capital One current account. Otherwise, this may impede the closure process. Now, log into your Capital One account through the website and select the account that you want to close, and in this case it will be your savings account or any of the other accounts that you want, and then click the delete button once you've selected the account and confirm that you want to delete this account. And once you've confirmed that you want to delete the account, Capital One will close it. It shouldn't appear in your list of accounts anymore, and instead you'll only have your live accounts, the ones that you haven't deleted. Now, if you want to close your account in branch, which is also possible, it's very easy, and sometimes because it's just easier to walk into a brick and mortar bank and ask for help. Now, what you need to do is, once you're inside, you'll need to talk to a staff member about closing your account. They should be able to do it then and there for you. However, you will need to sit down with someone and go through the process together, and the staff will also need to verify your identity. So make sure that you bring all of your bank cards and personal information such as your ID, social security number, and after you've proven your identity, you will be able to go through and close your account. Any funds that are left will be transferred to your current account or any of the account that you don't want to delete, and you can leave knowing that the account has been fully dealt with. And that's all it takes to delete your Capital One account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.